What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with Jared. And since the coolest part about SEMA is all the vehicles here, today we're bringing you the top 5 Fords at SEMA 2019.
Cam soda.
So this is a combination of Sinister Diesel plus Raptor, and you have this amazing off-road pre-runner king coilover F250.
Yeah, Fuller wanted to find a Raptor to go over. I found this thing and we kind of compromised. It looks like it's like an F150, a Super Duty, and a Raptor all in one.
Because they took the Super Duty chassis, but then they added things like the F150 headlights to make it look more like your typical Raptor.
Yep, it's got 20-inch speed locks, 46-inch Michelins, which these things are huge. Like, you actually go off-road with these and jump this thing?
Hey, I have no idea, but I'm willing to do it if they let me.
I love the wide body on it. This thing is nuts. And ironically, this is a Sinister Diesel truck, but it's not blue, it's red.
So we've got a F350 dually on 4G autos, and then the front is actually super single. So this is like your typical regular 4G auto wheel, if I can call a 4G auto regular.
Yeah, these are 28x16 4G autos with 42 15.5 Furies on them. Plan B fab, just like there's a lot of trucks here that are in Plan B fab kits, which these all look super sexy. It's wrapped in like a greenish tan.
Are you colorblind? This is clearly like a tan brown. I wouldn't even say there's any sort of green in it at all. It's like a root beer color, which goes hand in hand with the Cam Soda logo on the side. You'll notice no other sponsors on this truck at all, which is very interesting to me.
Yep.
But absolutely massive, huge dually. There's a lot of work that goes into making this kind of setup work, especially when you have 15.5-inch wide tires for both of the rear tires.
Right.
There's over 30 inches of rubber back here. Yeah,
badass grill in the front too. This is just a super clean overall truck. Not like, I mean, obviously it's over the top, but like just badass build.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is one we've never seen before.
Oh my gosh, look at this thing. What an amazing
that wrap.
vehicle. Oh,
wow.
Holy cow, quality.
So this is the Archon K350. We had to bring it to you guys to show you officially here at SEMA. 2614 Archon Crown Series victories, 8-inch BDS coilover lift kit, all powder coated.
There's a lot of noise here at SEMA. It's a good time.
It does sound really good. Overkill fab grille, gold standard lighting headlights, ADD front and rear bumpers, wrapped by Sticker Dude, custom made with the like camo trend, mixed with some 90s like mini truck, amp research steps. You know it, you've seen it, there's a bunch of videos on it, check it.
So this is the OBS Power Zone. I think it's Jared's favorite truck.
I mean, I am a sucker for an OBS Ford, I'm not gonna lie, but this thing is completely done up. Completely one-off custom 4-link suspension, which looks absolutely beautiful. About 3 million rock lights underneath it to accent that white suspension.
Yeah.
30 by 18 TIS forged wheels.
I mean, the whole underside of this truck is painted white. The frame is like a custom frame.
It's not even a frame. It's like, yeah, right. And there's just a bunch of holes in it, but like, it's not an old Ford with like rotted holes in it. It's a new frame that's got custom holes in it.
Custom holes in it. They did a really nice job too. All white out, chrome accents. You got the polished wheels and then just a little bit of red on there. Didn't go overboard with it. I think it's a really nice setup, especially the touches like the back tailgate that looks like the new modern Platinum tailgate.
Yep, super clean. Oh, and then also tire size on it. It's got 44 16.5 R30s. And then the new Dakar MTs, which this truck is so big that these 44s look small. So this truck is just insane, beautiful. In the TIS booth, we love it.
You want to go see the Lamborghini?
Thank you for walking in front of us during our video.
I don't want to go see the Lamborghini. That's fine. Yeah, whatever. This right here is the best hamburger you can get. This is a Supreme Patty.
Not quite, but this is Supreme Patty Garage's truck.
Yeah, absolutely sick, specialty forged, Fury tires, because, you know, typical SEMA build, especially forged and Fury tires. King shocks. The drive shaft looks like it's at a completely unusable angle because it's like 30 inches in the air.
My favorite thing about these wheels is that the inside's powder coated. So he's got 2616 specialty forged, and I love how people do that with the inside to kind of accent the truck. He's got his axles painted to match, coils painted to match.
He's got speakers under the bed of the truck too. Like, I don't know if they're wet sounds or not, but that's awesome. I love that people are getting into like exterior and interior audio on all these builds. And it's not just something to look at. You can actually like use it for audio too.
King coilovers, polished track bars. It's big, it's teal, it's black. All right, bonus content. We got a Ford Bronco here, but it's not a Ford Bronco. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke shortened, made it look like a Ford Bronco. Had to throw it in there just because it's super cool, super unique, something different. I love it.
It's not that cool. He just likes it because he has a Bronco.
It is cool, okay?
It is cool, I'll give him that.